Hi everyone, welcome to Veronica Hug. Today I want to show you something new. So I want to show you this new pattern that's made out of these cross rows. So the new thing looks like this, the new element. It's a bit different from what we've done before. So you see how much space we actually leave in between these crossed parts. So it should be pretty interesting to do, and it's pretty simple, so stay tuned. So let's start with 6 rows in garter stitch. And then 1 row in which we do 3 times the yarn around the needle after every stitch, and everything else we do in knit stitch. So you will need a number divisible by 8 plus the 2 edge stitches. So I did 4 plus 2 this time. Here 3 more times, yarn over and then the edge stitch. Let these fall. So here we change the direction of the diagonal ones, but here we will now do 4 knit stitches before we begin with the crossing. So that's how we get the change. So here I started right away, and in the other part, so where I am now, and here on the bottom I started after the 4 knit stitches to get the look that I wanted. So let's get to it. You need to cast off 8 stitches. Take the first 4 out of those 8 and pull through the other 4. Now carry on as if they were any other stitch, and then again cast the 8 off and do the same. And that way you can keep going. So as you can see, it's a super easy pattern. Just always take care if you started right away, or if you should start after the first 4 stitches in order to get the looks that I have shown you here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section. You can always leave any feedback or possible questions, maybe even suggestions and wishes for future projects. Apart from that, you can also subscribe to the channel. That way you can stay updated with everything new that I post for free, and you can also gain access to some older videos I already posted if you need some extra inspiration. So if you enjoyed this video and if you found these instructions helpful, feel free to shoot a thumbs up. That way I know I did a good job. And apart from that, I'm just gonna say thanks for watching my channel. Yeah, a big thanks from Veronica Hug, and I'll see you in our next project. Until then, have a great day. Bye!